I'm mixing the colors. I have added little water. And every time wash the brush. Because I'm going to paint on paper, so I'm adding few drops of water. And every time I have to wash and clean my brush. Colors are ready. Now we will take the sheet. We'll keep a paper or wooden board below this so that it won't slip and our table won't become dirty. So I will start with the sky. I'm starting with blue color. We'll mix all the colors so that we get the shade of sky. Our sky part is almost ready, and now we are going to make the soil. So to make soil, I have taken this brown color. So first step, we are going to learn how to draw the tulip flower. A tulip will draw a stem, not curved stem. Tulip's stem is straight. Little bit curve you can show. Then show a leaf. Then show a cup. Just like a cup. In this cup, show one part, curve here, and show another part, and here curve. This is the bud of the tulip. This is the bud of the tulip. Now, adjacent to this, we are showing the flower. To show the flower, we are showing another cup. See, this cup is wider. It's a wider cup. I'll draw here so that you can see properly. It's a cup. Now, in this cup, show one petal like this, another one like this, not pointed, little curved here, like we learned in hibiscus flower, little bit thickness when there is a curve. Then here another petal. This is another one. Then see the leaves. So I'm using a Stadler marker to draw on the sheet, and these are our tulip flowers in a field. This is our basic drawing, and now we are going to start the painting. So for painting, I will show you one flower and some leaves. So basically this is the color, white color, Fabricril's white I'm using right now. I will paint one petal with white. This is a thin brush. Now in this petal we are going to do shading with pink color, but I have taken only this much pink color. And this is wet on wet. Now to make the leaves and stem, I'm going to use these four colors. They are Fabricril's, it's sap green, it's a natural light green, it is Fabricana's camel's yellow, this is a fan brush. Okay, so I will take white color in the fan brush. If you don't have, don't worry, you can do with ordinary brush. Okay, dab it many times on the palette only and on the cloth also. I'm going to use little bit of this color, and again the same method. Thank you for watching my video. Please follow Vandana's Art on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube for more videos. Thank you. Namaste.